I'm gonna tell you something really exciting about making chocolate with coconut sugar. Now, one of the most common things that people say to me is that when they make chocolate with coconut sugar, it often sinks to the bottom. Now, this has something to do with when you have the viscosity of the melted cacao butter. If it's actually too thin, too warm, the coconut sugar will sink to the bottom, and you can rather ingeniously wait till it's the right temperature, and then it will all hold together to perfection. And sometimes people often say that there's a slight crunch in their chocolate from the coconut sugar crystals. Now, for some reason, my chocolate usually seems to work really, really well. I just seem to have a way of doing it. Maybe the Conscious Kitchen angels just weave some magic in there, I'm not sure, but I do know what you mean. So I investigated a little bit and really contemplated it and explored and experimented, and I found that the best way that you can actually get your coconut sugar to infuse and dissipate perfectly in your chocolate when you're making it yourself is to turn your coconut sugar to powder. And that will completely transform your raw vegan chocolate making experience, and your coconut sugar will not sink to the bottom. So what you need is a sort of grinder. I've got a nut mill, seed mill sort of attachment that comes with my blender. You can also use, say, I think NutriBullets or food processors, anything that will grind something down to a powder. Just grind down your coconut sugar and then use that in place of regular coconut sugar. Always buy organic and fair trade. We want to make sure that we're supporting ethical practices when you buy your coconut products. So there's my tip of the day from Trinity's Conscious Kitchen. I do hope that it helps you. Please do let me know how you get on with it as well. And if you have any other ideas, I'm all ears. So please come subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come check out my website, trinityskitchen.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.